Hello, this is Wasai11. Today I'm opening those two Evolutions booster packs. And well, let's just see what's in it. I like opening these Evolutions packs because it's really a throwback to when I was a little kid and collected the base set. And that's why it's really nostalgic to just see all the old cards. Oh, we have a Mega Charizard and a Raichu pack art. Let's first open the Mega Charizard. Three from the back, and let's see. There's a, please focus in, please. Yeah, a Charmander, a Voltorb, Fire type Energy, a Vulpix, Tangela, a Switch Trainer, Blastoise Spirit Link, Energy Retrieval, a Drowsy Reverse Holo, and a Dugong regular rare. Let's get on to the second pack. And let's see who we get. A Nidoran, Growlithe, Rattata, Electabuzz, Magikarp, a Flying Pikachu. Nice, that's one of the ones I wanted. And it's a secret rare, so that's always good. A Haunter, Maintenance, Mewtwo Reverse Holo Rare, and a Gyarados Holo. Wow, that looks so nice. Oh, let's do a quick little recap of what we got in this video. Yeah, we got, please focus in. Yes, we got a Flying Pikachu, a Gyarados Holo, Dugong regular rare, a Mewtwo Reverse Holo, and a Drowsy Reverse Holo. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. And remember to subscribe if you want more of these videos. Hope to see you next time.